Hello, everyone. How are you all doing? Listen, I am so fired up today because I wanted to talk about something so dear to my heart. Where are you parking your money as an entrepreneur? You go out and you earn income, you make this money. Now you got to park it somewhere. Where are you parking your money? Think about your money like a car. You buy it from the dealership, and what do? You park it in a garage or on the street. But when you park it on the street, it's exposed to different situations. People can steal your car, they could scratch your car, they could damage your brand new car. Well, same thing with your money. Your money, you got to think about, where am I parking it? Where is it going to be safe for me to put my money so that it's protected from inflation, so that it's protected from credit attachment, so that it's protected from taxes, so that it's protected from fraudsters, so that it's protected from companies going out of business and all those things, that they cannot steal my money. So understand it. So I'm going to go over that and show you how that works. So let's go and let's jump right in. I'm so fired up. So come on, let's go.